In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Apollo.io Chrome extension to your browser in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned user of Apollo.io or new to this powerful sales intelligence tool, having the Chrome extension can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So, let's dive right in and get you set up with it quickly. First, go ahead and open your web browser. You can use any Chromium-based browser for this process. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or even Brave will work perfectly fine. Once your browser is open, navigate to your preferred search engine. It could be Google, Bing, or any other that you regularly use. Next, in the search bar, type in Apollo extension. What you're looking for is the Apollo.io Sales Intelligence extension, which is a popular tool among sales professionals for its ability to seamlessly integrate with LinkedIn and other web platforms. It helps in tracking and managing sales leads more effectively. After hitting Enter, you should see a list of results. Your goal is to find the link that takes you directly to the Apollo.io Sales Intelligence extension within the Chrome Web Store. Once you've located it, click on the link to open the extension page. Here, you'll find detailed information about what the extension offers, including user reviews and additional details about its functionalities. When you're ready, look for a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to start the installation process. A pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the installation. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're aware of the permissions the extension requires to function correctly. Go ahead and click on Add Extension to proceed. Your browser will then take a few moments to install the extension, and you'll usually see a progress notification indicating the status of the installation. Once the extension is installed, you'll be able to verify its presence easily. Locate the extension icon, which typically looks like a small puzzle piece, in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to bring up a list of all installed extensions. Look through the list and find the Apollo logo. The presence of the logo confirms that the installation was successful, and the extension is now ready for use. The Apollo.io Chrome extension is an excellent tool that offers a suite of features designed to make your lead generation and sales process more efficient. By following just a few simple steps, you've added a powerful ally to your browser that will help you optimize your sales strategies. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides and insightful content. Have a productive day and enjoy using the Apollo.io Chrome extension.